what we're packing today is a typewriter. Sold this typewriter on eBay, and it's a very old manual typewriter. You'll see it's pretty cool, wonderful shape, really good shape. The color is really hard to find, but anyway, we're going to pack this thing to ship. People paid good money for this typewriter, and so we're going to pack it securely, accordingly. They paid good money for it. We should be able to pack it very well. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the typewriter. Anything that's loose that's inside. I know it's in a box, but I'll still try to do a little bit extra to keep some of this stuff moving around. Because I don't want anything to move during some of the stress of shipping that doesn't need to move. So I'll do a little bit extra. This shrink wrap should hold anything in place that could possibly move. Then I am going to take the cover, slip it back over it. Now, since it's got this little extra tightness to it, it's going to be a little tighter on the sides, but it's going to fit securely now. Nice and tight. Cover in place. It's locked down, so it shouldn't open up. There we go. So now we're good there. The next thing I'm going to do, bubble wrap this. So this case is plastic, and it's old. This typewriter is probably made mid to late 60s, maybe. I don't really know the age of it. It was well taken care of. When you get an old piece like this, you take the extra effort to get it taken care of. Some people really appreciate the old vintage typewriter, dishes, or whatever it might be. It's a collector. And, you know, and who knows, your next novel, best-selling novel may be written on this typewriter right here. And you just never know. There's a reason people like these things. Alright, now I've got that thing in bubble wrap. I'm going to shrink wrap it too, because shrink wrap just holds everything just a little bit tighter. You can use masking tape and it'll probably be fine. I think the shrink wrap adds a little bit more security to it. Now, I've got that. Now what I'm going to do is I've already pre-sized these cardboards, but I'm going to add a little layer where this is going to fit right down inside the box. I want the gaps all around for my box. And I'm going to put that right in the middle of that. And it should slip right down into a box. And then I'm going to put that right there on top of it. And it's just going to kind of protect it. I'll bring this to the edge of the table here. And then I'm going to take my trusty, I'm addicted to this stuff, it's good stuff. I like to use it for everything, it's my friend. Just everything's so secure and tight. Now, make my rounds around this thing all over it. change directions now. I'm going to go end to end. Where you're secure. All four corners. There's not one slip. Not going to come out. You're not going to have any issues. This thing during transportation. Now, there's my typewriter. It's all secured. Got part on the top, part on the bottom, on the sides. It's got plenty of space here to where you can't get damaged from impact. Now I just need the box. I've already got the box now. Being a typewriter, it's kind of heavy. Normally just use glue, tape. But on these, since it's a typewriter and with that extra weight, I'm not going to use tape. I'm going to use hot glue. This would be a lot more secure. I'll glue my box down. I'm going to hold it in place. Sealed up, and I'll also add some tape onto it before we ship it. Because I mean, the hot glue is good, but tape and hot glue is kind of like a double protection. I'd rather be overprotected when it comes to shipping anything of value. But in all reality, no matter what you ship, you should overprotect it. Such thing as overprotecting an item. Now, I think I had it figured out. I had these pre-cut, so it's, you know, you can grab any kind of thick cardboard. You can take a thick box or anything. I got lucky and I found these big square boxes that is real thin, and that'll help protect. And I already have them cut to size. Just shoot it right down in there. Perfect. I'm protected all the way around on this. Now I'm just going to add some filler. The first box is just a little bit taller than what I'd like, not a lot. But if it's just a little bit taller, you take your box ninja and take it off about an inch. And you're going to make it to where you can make a new corner. And when you're talking, when you're shipping some items, you got weight for shipping, and sometimes you have dimensional weight. And so when it's dimensional weight, you need to get that box down as small as you can. Save as much money as you can on shipping. But you also want to maintain that protection level all the way around it. That barrier. Alright. That was going to work out just fine. side of the neck. I'm kind of tucking it in like a sheet on a bed, just tuck it into the sides. Got them two. What I want to do, like I say, with this weight, I could just tape it. But sometimes tape just ain't enough. A little bit of glue is not going to hurt anything. Costs a little bit more, but you know what? This thing got come open during shipping. It cost you quite a bit. This typewriter sold for $180. I mean, somebody wants this typewriter and they want it safe. They won't want it scratched. They don't want it cracked carrier. They want it safe. That's what they're going to get. See, I've got that glue's already set, but I'm still going to tape it. I have that little extra layer of protection. It's taped, plus it's glued. Got that weight on the other side. It's the same way. It's taped. Taping it. Typewriter. To me, that is really secure. If I drop it, your corners are protected. Even if you got glasses on, you can see right there when I drop it. There's so much weight. They're going to collapse. You got to have that barrier around there. You got to have a barrier all the way around, or it's not going to protect it. So when you have that much weight in a small box like this, it's got to be protected. It's got to have buffers. You see right here, this thing's 13 pounds. 13 pounds in a small box like that is a lot. So extra padding around the edges, bubble wrap, cardboard protection, you know, keep this thing secure. Have it arrive in one piece. But anyway, that's how I done that typewriter. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.